Niseme we are encouraging this program because tunajua kuna shule zingine zimefinyiliwa sana, they do not have water tanks, na tunajua water is a basic need, clean water especially for our young children. Ndio tunataka kuhimiza, tunajua mazingira inakuwa nzuri tukiwa na maji na sanitation pia, na ndio tuna emphasize, tunataka kuhakikisha tunaendelea kudistribute hizi tanks kwenye mashule.
So when I made this request, it was to ease the burden of the children carrying the water, and it fell on good ears, and the women rep was able to listen to us, and today we are happy that we are launching hundreds of tanks.
We've been experiencing problems with the water. In fact, currently we are forced to buy water, and therefore with this availability of the tanks from the women rep, we'll be able to store water, and therefore we really appreciate.